Hey everyone, today we have this 2022 Volkswagen Taos and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, and if you like the product, don't forget to leave a review on our website. Now let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail lights. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, just remove any contaminants that the tail light may have. So we're going to start with this section of the tail light. So with this one, all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And now first, align the film to this section of the tail light here. Apply Tack Solution to tack it around this area. Squeegee and tack it down. Make sure to secure this whole section, that way once we secure it and we stretch the film, this section doesn't slip away. So apply Tack Solution underneath to secure this whole panel. So once we secure this section, stretch the film and align it to this section. So you're going to need to pre-stretch the film first in order for the film to lose the tension it has in the middle. So we need to pre-stretch it, and by pre-stretching it, we need to apply a good amount of Slip Solution. That way the film is able to stretch and it doesn't get stuck to the tail light. So place the film, pre-stretch it a little bit, that way the film loosens up. Another thing you can do is apply a little bit of heat in order for the film to be more flexible. So just apply heat on this metal section here. Once you apply heat, apply Slip Solution once more. Place the film back down and just stretch it until it reaches to this edge. Make sure this area is dry, that way you have better grip on the film, and stretch it to the edge. Okay, once you have it on the edge, lift the film carefully and tack it down with Tack Solution. So apply it on the edge and start tagging it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. Final step is to remove any fingers that you may encounter on the top or on the bottom section of the film. So just apply Tack Solution, apply heat in order to remove the fingers. Spray Tack Solution one more time, and you could wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and start tacking them down like this. And you just repeat this process until you remove the fingers on the top and lower section of the film. Once you're done securing this one, we can move on to the last piece. Spray Slip Solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film and align it to this edge here. Once it's aligned, apply Tack Solution to secure it, and then work your way to the next section of the tail light here. Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure to keep it aligned. Tack it down with your squeegee. And now just work your way until you reach to this end. Make sure you secure this whole section, that way the film does not move. And then stretch it until you reach to this edge right here. Once you have it stretched, start tagging it down to secure it. And now to remove any fingers that you may encounter here, apply Tack Solution and heat, and then we should be good. So once you finish with the installation, the last thing to do is to pulse heat the entire tail light. So just apply Slip Solution to the entire lens and use your heat gun in order to help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And you could use a microfiber towel to help tack down the film more faster, as well as help it remove any solution that may be trapped under the edges. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the 2022 Volkswagen Taos. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.